Hey guys, it's Justine from JustPlans. Welcome back to another video. I am memory planning this week using this Autumn Farm kit from Sweet Bella XOXO. It is foiled in gold foil and it's actually a 4-page full kit of hers, which I've never used. If you are new here, I always pick up her mini kits, and this has so many beautiful stickers and I had so much fun playing around with this. It is just so pretty, so stunning and gorgeous. So yeah, if you're interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing, and yeah, let's get into it. Oh man, so having a 4-page full kit of Adriana's was honestly, I felt spoiled. I usually get her 2-page mini kits, which are still so gorgeous and stunning, but of course, there's obviously way less stickers in them. So, having so many stickers in a 4-page kit, it was so easy to plan. Like, it was completely effortless. Most of the stickers that I pulled in were from the kit, other than like my icons, and I was just in planning heaven, to be honest. So for the date dots here, I am using my rose colored days date dot tape in the 7.5 millimeter size and in black, and I just am so obsessed with these. They are so handy to have, and I feel like I never have to buy date dots ever again because I have this tape. So this is awesome. So everything, obviously, all I've put down is the bottom washi, and that's obviously from the kit. So I'm just gonna put in my headers. I am just gonna take, again, everything from the kit. I'm using 3 sets of headers. I'm taking the pattern headers, the to-do headers, and the bow headers, all from the kit. And I love how this came out. It is so stunning. I'm really happy that I chose this kit to use this week, because honestly, like, uh, lately I've been a little in my head when it comes to planning, like, especially, I don't know. Sometimes you just feel that way. But anyway, here I am showing you this page of stickers is a little too deeply cut, so it was a little difficult to take the stickers up, but obviously still usable. I didn't mind that too much, but I did just want to let you guys know. Adriana is based in New Jersey, so represent. But her kits are just so pretty and delicate, and her format has actually been the same for at least a year or so, and it's just stood the test of time, to be honest, and she's just so great. Her shop is definitely one of my favorites for kits. But yeah, I am just pulling in this really pretty pink floral box for the top left corner. It was pretty plain, so I put in October script in the middle of it. That's from Planning Like a Pro, and I just love her new scripts. The font that Shani uses is so pretty, so like it's so like thin and dainty, and like just basically the perfect script. I love it. So here I'm just figuring out where I want to place the full boxes. I do like to go in like this diagonally pattern, which you will see, and below my full boxes you'll notice here especially that I like to leave this like little tiny sliver of space between the full box and the header below it, which means that um, the header sometimes overlaps with the full box, like what I'm doing here on Tuesday, which I do pull up and move to Monday just because that's kind of like the full box pattern that I wanted to go with. I wanted all of the bow headers to be on top of all of the full boxes. But anyway, I do love that little sliver of white space. I don't know why. It just gives me, it just makes me happy seeing that little sliver of space. So I do that. It for all the boxes in the top row, it doesn't really matter, but definitely the middle row and the bottom row, you have to put your boxes in specific places and your headers in specific places in order to achieve that. So anyway, let's see. Yeah, what was I saying? I think I was saying that I was basically in like a bit of a planner rut before planning this week. I just felt like, I don't know, I just kind of felt like I was thinking too much, and I was thinking about like, oh, are people gonna like how this looks or like how this turns out? What am I gonna say in the fucking voiceover and shit like that? So like, I don't know. I was just way too in my head, and this week felt so good to just use the kit and have it be so effortless to plan with, and like all those thoughts in my head just kind of washed away, and it was just really freeing, and I loved it. So I really appreciated that kit for that. And yeah, I feel like I am back in the groove. I'm sorry. I like to think I'm hip and cool, but I'm probably definitely not. I mean, people who say that they're hip most likely are not. Okay, so yeah, I'm just still laying down the base of the kit. I love the pattern headers. They are gorgeous. Adriana basically just took the florals in the kit and blew them up for those pattern headers, and they are so, so pretty. I love all of the colors here. I'm not much of a purple person, but I'm definitely a pink and mauve colored person. So um, I think this all went so well together and just so perfect for fall. So here we go. We're into Monday. I can try to stop rambling, maybe. So, Monday the 5th was our 1 year anniversary from when we adopted our puppy Archie. So, I definitely wanted to mark that. He is the love of my life, my child, and yeah, it's been really hard, but it's also been fulfilling, and yeah. Okay, so I just used like a city stickers bow icon to mark that, and then below that I just marked that I had 2 meetings at work. And let's see, at the bottom of the day I did deep clean the bathroom, so I definitely wanted to mark that. I just took a sticker from the kit, and then at the end of the night, I finished it with some wine and Heart of Dixie. That is the Netflix show that I'm binging right now. And I just love Rachel Bilson. I was a huge, huge, huge OC fan growing up. Well, I mean, I was in like high school when that show came out, but I loved the OC. I love Seth Cohen. He is my soulmate. So I just pulled in a floral deco from the kit and a wine sticker from Planning World to mark that. And I did pull in this mandala at the top of Monday, this like really tiny mini mandala from Sticky Sloth Designs, which is so pretty and perfect. Um, okay, moving on to Tuesday. I finally got my ass up and did some yoga in the morning, so definitely wanted to mark that with just some stickers from the kit. Then I had one meeting for work, and we also had training for Archie this day. So I pulled in a sticker. It's a dog collar from White Deer Stationery, and to fill in this like weird awkward white space, I did want to pull in this like gold foiled vine sticker from Letters from Lay. And I am going to reposition this a few times before I get it absolutely perfect, but I love that vine detail. I love Claire, first of all, and her shop is really great. So if you have not checked out Letters from Lay, please do. I will link her shop down below. Let's see. Oh my God. I I filmed and edited Plan With Me this day, and I pulled in this really, really gorgeous planner from Rose and Tea Shop and this script from Lilac Luna Plans that says memory plan. By the way, I do have a coupon code for Lilac Luna Plans. It is Justine15. You can use that code to save 15% off, but also get my foiled freebie in your choice of foil. It does come in gold by default if you don't select a foil. So just leave that and my name in the notes to seller to get my freebie. So after I filmed and edited that plan with me, I did watch game 4 of the NBA Finals. If you are new here, I am a huge basketball fan. And unfortunately, my team did not make the finals. That's okay. That's fine. There's always next year, and even though I'm heartbroken, I just can't let it rule my life. So I pulled in a basketball sticker from Sticky Slot Design. Sorry. Okay. On Wednesday, I did wake up late, so of course, no time for yoga. Then I marked that I had 2 meetings at work, and most of the day at work, I did prep for a committee meeting that I was hosting on Thursday, so definitely wanted to mark that. And then let's see, after oh yeah, this is actually my mom's birthday. So to mark that, we went over to my parents' house and had dinner with them and hung out with my family. I just took this one flag from the kit, and then I also cut down a washi strip from the kit in order to make a flag. Put that down with some floral deco and a birthday cake sticker from Paper Muse Crafts, just to mark that we had pho for my mom's birthday dinner. I love my family. I love seeing them so much. It's always a great time to hang out with them, and especially nowadays where I'm more hesitant to visit people in person. I just cherish our time together so much more now. Not that I didn't, but it's just like kind of that extra thought in the back of your head that like you know that you're not able to do this very often, so you're just like that much more happy that you're able to do that. But anyway, I am rambling, sorry. Let me see. So here I am just repositioning some stickers. I don't know why. I don't know. I just kind of like this kit again was so easy to plan with. I just wanted it to be like really, really nice. So I just like kind of fidgeted a few stickers around, really. I I love how I did this, and I pulled that vine sticker up a little bit and tucked it under the dog collar sticker, and I just love how that looks. I love how it kind of like overlaps over the quarter box a little bit. And on Monday, I am just replacing that mandala because I wanted to use that the same one that I used on Wednesday. So, yeah, on to the second half of the week. I did have it in my head that I wanted to start journaling. And so, what I did on Thursday was do morning pages, which really wrote 1 page. But to be honest, I haven't done that since this day. I also got up early and did yoga and meditation, so I feel like I was really trying this day to get back on track, but to no avail. Okay, at work, I did have that big committee meeting, so marked that with some stickers from the kit. And my dog had to get his vaccines. He actually got 2 rounds of vaccines just because he was due for more vaccines that we didn't anticipate on Thursday. So, in the plan with me next week, you'll see another vet appointment there so he can get the rest of his shots. But then at the end of the night, again, I had some wine, so I used that same Planning World wine icon, and then I also filmed a plan with me. So I used that same planner icon from Rose and Tea Shop, this time in the pink color, and then a memory plan script from Lilac Luna Plans, which is like the smaller size. On her script sheet, she has 2 different sizes. So on Friday, I just marked that I had 1 meeting, and then we also went for a walk as a family. So I pulled in this beautiful puppy sticker from Honey Ink that you guys know I love. And I didn't really have anything else to mark for like the morning. So I just marked down that I placed some PR orders, and I used this like really gorgeous Happy Meal sticker from Planning World. Um, that night was a really chill night. Really didn't do anything. But like most nights nowadays are basically like that. So I'm just marking here that I watched game 5 of the finals. That was actually a pretty good game because the Heat won that game and they were the underdogs in the finals this year, and I personally am not a Lakers fan. Sorry if any of you are out there watching my videos. I really, I don't know. I again, I don't even know if any sports fans watch my videos, but yeah. And then at the end of the night, I did continue watching or reading the book that I'm reading, which is Small Great Things by Jodi Picoult. So I just pulled in the stack of books sticker from Planning World. I love that. I think it's so unique and looks really cool. And then just a heart swooshy from Rose Colored Days. Now on to Saturday, again, just a really chill day. I edited and uploaded a plan with me. That was yeah, I think my Hello Petite paper plan with me from last week. And then we also took our dog to the park. So just pulled in another one of those Vine stickers from Letters from Lay. I watched some more Heart of Dixie at the end of the night. So that binge watch script is from Lilac Luna Plans, and it is so pretty. I honestly love Trina's handwriting or hand lettering. It's so good, so pretty. That is in, she has like two styles of her hand lettering scripts, the dainty, which is what my scripts are, and a bold option as well. I pulled in a TV icon from Planning World to mark that. And then we also got our new Nintendo Switch on Saturday, so we set it up at the end of the night. On Sunday, I voted. I submitted my mail-in ballot, and I had wrote it just on that like washi strip, but you really couldn't see what I wrote, so I pulled in that quarter box and then just some floral deco and rewrote that just so that I can see that a bit more. Below that, I filmed and edited a video. It was like a how-to video on how to make minimal habit trackers. I just thought that video might be helpful for people who are like new to silhouette or like making their own stickers. Like by no means am I an expert in sticker making or anything like that or designing. That's not me. I'm just like trying to help people that might be new to it and giving them some ideas to use. So Sunday was also game 6 of the NBA Finals. This was the last game. So I did want to mark that I was watching that, though it did turn out to be a really super boring game. It was not competitive at all. So I don't think I even finished watching that whole thing. So instead, I played a lot of Animal Crossing. So I am marking that with a Nintendo Switch from Panda Bird Design and then a floral sticker from Letters from Lay. And you will hear a lot more about Animal Crossing in my next Plan With Me videos. But here is the final spread. I am absolutely in love with it. I'm so obsessed. It is gorgeous. So I hope you guys like it too. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.